In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Hulu on Smart TV. In order to install your Hulu, you first need to determine if your TV is an Android TV or an Amazon TV or an LG Web OS. So determine the operating system of your TV, and from in there you should be able to actually go over to the App Store from other options, or if you have an Android TV, you should be able to have a Google Play Store just like this one. Once on your store, just click onto the search bar and proceed to search right here for Hulu. Once you search for Hulu, you should be able to find it directly from there. So just proceed to click on Hulu from this. Once you have your Hulu, proceed to click onto the install option onto your device and just wait for a few seconds for the actual application to be installed. Head over and then install it, and you should be able to open it to use it for streaming. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.